So you finished your project, your lab, and you want to turn that in on Canvas. Let's say you just finished ASCII art. What I'm going to do is show you how to create this ASCII art.zip. Now you may have your Windows configured to not show the file extension, the .zip part at the end. And one thing, if that's set up, you notice regular folders look just like a folder. You can see the big icon here on the right. The zip folder should have a slightly different icon with a little zipper across it. Now, I'm going to delete this one. We'll rebuild it. Now, if you don't know where your project folders are located, you should keep them well organized. But if you don't, if you go back to NetBeans, you can right-click on the project up here at the top and go to Open in System. That should open up a folder, and this folder that you're looking at here is the inside of the project folder. If you want to see your Java files, they're in the source folder right there. Now I'm going to go back 2 levels. This is what opened up. I want you to zip the folder that this is contained in, so I'm going to go up 1 more level. So again, this folder right here has the same name as your project. Well, it should, or very similar. So you want to right-click this. Now, if you're not in Windows 11, this looks a little different, but I'm going to compress to zip file. This will turn it into a zip file right there. You could change the name on that if you need to. You may see when you right-click, it may look more like this menu here. And if it looks like this one, you can do send to, compress zip folder. There may be another option depending on what you have installed on your computer, but if you just have, if you have another zip program, there may be another way to zip it, but I would just use the send to, compress zip folder. It does the exact same thing as just right-clicking and going to compress to. So again, now I've got 3 zip files in here, and you just submit one of them. And that is what I'm looking for. As you go further in the class, there will be times where there are multiple files I want to look at. And this is the way you can get all your files in there.